Yeah, Vicky, I've been in more than 100 of these COVID briefings, and this one was by far the most sobering yet. Right now, there are several hospital systems across Kentucky that are maxed out on COVID patients. Even U of L Health tonight warning that if cases and admissions continue at this current rate, they may have a difficult time providing just basic emergency care.
We now have 119 of our 120 Kentucky counties that are now in the red zone.
18 months into the pandemic and on the heels of a major Supreme Court defeat, Governor Beshear painted the most grim picture yet for COVID-19 in the Commonwealth. The governor announcing more than 2,500 new positive cases and 17 new deaths, including a 30-year-old woman from Jefferson County. Hospitalizations are now at an all-time high, with 529 patients in the ICU and 301 on a ventilator.
In other surges, we have always made sure our healthcare systems have not been overrun. It's looking more and more likely that that's going to happen with this Delta variant.
The ICU at Baptist Health Hardin is now full. The staff there is converting same-day surgery rooms into ICU overflow. Rural hospitals like St. Clair Healthcare in Moorhead are now in full disaster mode.
If we had another disaster happen now, even a small one, we don't have any reserve left.
To help assist the hardest hit hospitals, Governor Beshear is deploying the National Guard.
The initial deployment will be 75 National Guard men and women. There'll be 5 teams of 15. Each will have 2 to 3 leads who will run an on-site operation.
The governor has also requested additional assistance from FEMA, including 8 teams of 8 nurses with 2 certified nursing assistants per team.
We've also requested 2 EMS strike teams that would be able to transfer patients from a hospital that is full or doesn't have the level of care to another facility.
While hospitalizations have not reached critical levels in the metro, U of L Health has seen the number of COVID patients it's treating quadruple in just 3 weeks.
We're seeing younger patients that are sicker. They're filling up our hospital beds. They're backing up patients in the emergency departments. And we're getting to the point within the city itself where we're going to be having a difficult time delivering emergency care to those that need it.
Now, the governor also put out a new list of recommendations for counties that are in the red zone. That includes all of the counties in our viewing area. It includes encouraging masks indoors and also at outdoor events that have more people. Now, there's also a recommendation that is encouraging postponing all large-scale community events, at least for the weeks and month ahead. Reporting live at University Hospital tonight, Drew Gardner, WLKY News.